everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni. If you're interested in the X11, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, simple and straightforward, we got to pop open the cover. It just pops right off. We have to identify the Wi-Fi indicator light. Ours is currently blinking right now and our vacuum is in the on position, so make sure your vacuum is on. And we're going to be able to hold down this light, so you're going to press the Wi-Fi button, hold it down at least around 10 seconds.
Reset to default settings.
So it just let us know it's resetting to default settings, so I'm going to let go. And now it's just a waiting game. It'll power cycle, it'll boot back up, and then everything will be all set and ready to go like it's brand new again right out of the box. Everything's ready for us to use the app to set this up, and that's it. Your Ecovacs Deebot X11 has successfully been factory reset.